You're rocking with the best.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Okay, I'm reloaded.
Yeah, yeah. What's happening? What's happening? Hey!
May I have your attention, please?
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing
DJ Zponkey Remix.
If you're ready to party in the year 2026, make some noise! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year, everybody!
Osilo uloto wa popole pei amole Mana tua mai ita La upele fa amole mole Lo ufia fia e petua i fea O pusata fai po o fea ua fai ai Ae popole lo uloto ne isatia lo loto Ne ililo le alofa Ae fotua I se vario ona Awe, awe, au maya isa upu Se me alele I pefa asele mutu Tautua ia oe isi o nu A ole manulelea se ia fe mai Se I pupuni le mala uali ia I mai Ua goto le fetua Ole le mama Motu si alo upale Ua mota ia o
I love you very, very much, man.
introducing.
DJ Zponkey.
Remix.
And I can't stop thinking about the way things used to be. And I can't stop thinking about the love that you made me. And I can't get you out of my head. How in the world would I begin to let you walk right out my life and blow my heart away? And I can't stop caring about the apple of my eye. And I can't stop doing without the center of my life. And I can't get you out of my head. And I know I can't pretend that I won't die if you decide you won't see me again. And I can't stop thinking about the way my life would be. No, I can't stop thinking about how could you love me then leave. And I can't get you out of my mind. God knows how hard I try. And if you walk right out my life, God knows I sure to die. And I can't stop doing without love. No, I can't stop doing without love. And I can't get you out of my mind. I can't deny. And I would die if you decide you won't see me again.
Remix.
I will never find another lover sweeter than you, sweeter than you. And I will never find another lover more precious than you, more precious than you. Girl, you are close to me to like my mother, close to me to like my father, close to me to like my sister, close to me to like my brother. You are the only one, you're my everything. And for you, the song I sing. All my life, I pray for someone like you. And I thank God that I finally found you. All my life, I pray for someone like you. And I hope that you feel the same way too. Yes, I pray that you do love me too. I said you're all that I'm thinking of, baby. Said I promise to never fall in love with a stranger. You're all I'm thinking of. I praise the Lord above for sending me love. I cherish every hug. I really love you. Baby, baby, pray for someone like you. And I thank God that I finally found you. All my life, I pray for someone like you. And I hope that you feel the same way too. Yes, I pray that you do love me. You're all that I ever know. When you smile on my face, all I see is a glow. You turn my life around. You pick me up when I was down. You're all that I ever know. When you smile, my face glow. You pick me up when I was down.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing
DJ Zponkey. Remix.
You are the candle, love's a flame, a fire that burns to wind and rain. Shine your light on this heart of mine till the end of time. You came to me like dawn through the night, just shine like the sun. Out of my dreams and into my life, you are the one. You are the one. Said I loved you, my life. This is more than love I feel inside. Said I loved you, my strong. This love can never ever feel so strong. Said I loved you, but I lied. With all my soul, I tried in vain. How can their words, my heart explain? This taste of heaven, so deep, so true, I found in you. So many reasons, in so many ways, my love has just begun. Yeah. Need you forever, and I need you to stay. You are the one. You are the one. Said I loved you, but I lied. 'Cause this is more than love I feel inside. Said I loved you, but I was wrong. 'Cause love could never ever feel so strong. I said I loved you, but I lied. You came to me like the dawn through the night, just shining like the sun. Out of my dreams and into my life, you are the one. You are the one. Said I loved you, my life. This is more than love I feel inside. Said I loved you, but I was wrong. 'Cause love could never ever feel so strong. Said I love you. This is more than love I feel inside. Said I love you, but I lied.
ladies and gentlemen, introducing
DJ Zponkey. Remix.
Every time our eyes meet, this feeling inside me is almost more than I can take. Baby, when you touch me, I can feel how much you love me, and it just blows me away. I've never been this close to anyone or anything. I can hear your thoughts, I can see your dreams. I don't know how you do what you do. I'm so in love with you. It just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with place in my heart. Oh, it feels like the first time, every time. I wanna spend the whole night in your eyes. I don't know how you do what you do. I'm so in love with you. It just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you by my side, forever and ever. Every little thing that you do, baby, I'm amazed by you. Every little thing that you do, I'm so in love with you. It just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you by my side, forever and ever. Every little thing that you do, every little thing that you do, baby, I'm amazed by you. It's undeniable that we should be together. It's unbelievable how I used to say that I'd fall never. The basis I need to know, if you don't know just how I feel, then let me show you now that I'm for real. If all things in time will reveal. Yeah. One, you're like a dream come true. Two, just wanna be with you. Three, girl, it's plain to see that you're the only one for me. And four, repeat steps 1 through 3. 5, make you fall in love with me. If ever I believe my work is done, then I'll start back at 1. Yeah, yeah. So incredible the way things work themselves out, and all emotional once you know what it's all about. Hey, and undesirable for us to be apart. Never would have made it very far, 'cause you know you've got the keys to my heart. 'Cause one, you're like a dream come true. Two, just wanna be with you. Three, girl, it's plain to see that you're the only one for me. And four, repeat steps 1 through 3. 5, make you fall in love with me. If ever I believe my work is done, then I start back. Say farewell to the dark of night. I see the coming of the sun. I feel like a little child, 'cause life has just begun. You came and breathed new life into this lonely heart of mine. You threw out the lifeline just in the nick of time. You're like a dream come true. 2, just wanna be with you. 3, girl, it's plain to see that you're the only one for me. And 4, repeat steps 1 through 3. 5, make you fall in love with me. If ever I believe my work is done, then I start back at 1.
Zponkey. Remix.
Still feels like our first night together. Feels like the first kiss, and it's getting better, baby. No one can better this. Still holding on, you're still the one. First time our eyes met, same feeling I get. Only feels much stronger. I wanna love you longer. You still turn the fire on.
times are together. Feels like the first touch. We're still getting closer, baby. Can't get close enough. Still holding on. You're still number one. I remember the smell of your skin. I remember everything. I remember all your moves. I remember you, yeah. I remember the nights, you know I still do. So if you're feeling lonely, don't. You're the only one I ever want. I only wanna make it good. So if I love you a little more than I should, please forgive me. I know not what I do. Please forgive me. I can't stop loving you. Don't deny me this pain I'm going through. Please forgive me if I need you like I do. Oh, believe me, every word I say is true. Please forgive me. I can't stop loving you. I wanna call the stars down from the sky.